Hello class 11, welcome to English language class. As in the previous session in my class, I have taught you the uses of the verb in the tenses. Now relating with the same chapter, I will be teaching you how to solve the exercise questions which will be appearing in your question 3C in your language paper. Now you can see the paragraph is I have already been kept written here. So we'll try to fill up the blanks using the appropriate form of the verb given in the each brackets. Okay, now you can see here the paragraph here. All right, one day I dash be. Now you have to use the correct form of the verb given here. The verb is be, so what should be the appropriate form of the be here? One day I was. All right, one day I was in the lunch line and there I saw a pile of apples. The teacher in charge stared. Stare is in the bracket. Now appropriate form of the stare will be stared. Stared at me and said, just now take. Take, appropriate form of the word take will be take only here. Just take one. God is watching. Now correct form of the verb watch will be is watching. So I, in the bracket you have take. So what should be the correct form of the verb here? It should be took. So I took an apple and the line, the word in the bracket is moved. So it will be correct form of the word will be moved. Past tense of the word move will be moved. So the line moved along. At the next table there be in the bracket. Now again the correct form of the verb of be will be was, because the tense is coming in the past form. So you just relate the past tense of each tenses. At the next table there was a pile of chocolate chip cookies. I not know in the bracket. So correct form of the word not know would be I did not know. I did not know what to do. The kid behind me whispered. Next you have take in the bracket. So correct form of the word takes would be take only here. Take all you want, God's watching the apples. So this way you will solve the exercise questions for which you will be gaining 5 marks in this exercise questions. I hope you will be able to solve the exercise questions. I will be providing you the other questions in your group. So please kindly solve those questions which will be appearing in the group. Thank you so much.